This recording contains essential information regarding Object C23. You will learn how the device operates, what its primary functions are, and most importantly, how to respond if you encounter it. Failure to follow the provided guidance may result in immediate risk. Physical description. The unit is built on a perforated measuring 7 by 9 centimeters. Extending from one side is a 10 centimeter external antenna. On the front side, the central element is an ESP32-CAM module equipped with its standard lens. This module provides both image capture and wireless broadcasting. Next to it is a 5234501,000 mAh lithium polymer battery, serving as the primary power source. Supporting the system is an ESP32-6601 module acting as a wireless switch. Its function is to control the power state of the camera through a transistor. A small MZ1117 3.3 step-down power supply converts voltage to the required 3.3 volts, ensuring stable operation of the ESP32-66. On the rear side, the perforated carries additional supporting modules. The DC-DC MT3608 boost converter steps up voltage to the necessary level for the ESP32-CAM. An IRLZ44N MOSFET transistor regulates current flow to the camera, controlled by the ESP32-66. Also present is a TP4056 lithium battery charger, allowing the unit to be recharged through micro USB. A mechanical switch is installed for manual activation, alongside a 270 ohm resistor integrated into the circuit. In most cases, the unit is stored inside a 3D printed enclosure made from black PLA plastic. The casing conceals the components and gives the device a uniform, dark surface. Because of its small dimensions, the unit can be positioned almost anywhere without drawing attention. The black enclosure, combined with its size, makes the unit nearly invisible at night. That is why when you will be walking outside next time, be cautious and observe your surroundings carefully. You may not know from where the camera is watching you. Observed behavior. When the main switch on the back is pressed, the ESP32-66 ESP01 module is the first to power on. At this stage, a blue LED on the ESP82-66 begins to shine, indicating that the camera module itself is not yet active. The ESP82-66 functions as a wireless trigger. Once it receives a specific command, it activates its GPIO2 pin, which opens the IRLZ44N MOSFET. When this occurs, electrical current flows to the ESP32-CAM, and the blue LED on the ESP82-66 immediately turns off. Upon receiving power, the ESP32-CAM initializes. It begins to act as an access point, creating a hidden Wi-Fi network. This network cannot be detected through standard scans. Only users with a correct SSID and password are able to connect. To ordinary devices, the network does not exist. You will not know you are within range of the camera. There is no warning, no sign, only those who already possess access will be aware of its presence. Once connected, the ESP32-CAM provides a local web interface. By entering the device IP address into a browser, a live video stream becomes accessible. Classified addendum. The following segment contains leaked material recovered from a restricted laboratory environment. Originally recorded for internal documentation, this footage demonstrates the unit operating in real-world conditions. You are not supposed to see this. Proceed with caution. Every frame was never meant to leave the workshop where the device was first tested.
Afraid to dream without you, it would seem so bare. With open arms I call to you, I want you dear. Just as I reach for you, why do you disappear? Afraid to dream.
Because device cannot be detected by ordinary means. The only reliable method is your own sight. If you manage to locate the unit, observe the blue LED indicator. If the light is visible, movement is safe. The unit has no motion sensors and will not detect you. If the light has gone dark, hide or leave the area immediately. Remember, the camera can be placed anywhere in a park, in your neighborhood, or along the paths you take every day. It is inexpensive to produce and rarely found alone. If you encounter one, there are likely others nearby. Whatever you will do, do not underestimate it. Object C-23 was created with one single purpose: to watch you.